everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney, for those that are new here. Today I am going to show you how to take a t-shirt that I completely messed up and tore apart. It's not the look I was going for, but I still love the toilet boy, so I'm going to make this into a patch. And I'm going to put it on this sweatshirt. This is my son's sweatshirt when he was a kid. So it has this like really weird kid Target biker on it. Sustainability. I don't want to get rid of it, and I don't really have anybody to give it to, and it fits pretty perfect for a hoodie for every day. Hey, agnostic friend. So I am going to make it my own. I'll show you other things that I did too. Hold on. And then I'll tell you what you're going to need. So I don't know about you, but I love patches and making things my own. I think I got this from just the denim. It wasn't a vest. I couldn't find a vest that I liked, so I got a denim jacket. Didn't have any of this on it, and just chopped off the sleeves and made it into a vest. So, and then I collected pins from all over, wherever I can find them. I found a vintage pin from Canal Jeans. Praise Satan, because I am plant-based. This I got in Search and Destroy, the Queers, because I'm queer. And also a good band. Then I got this one from, I live upstate New York, so this was from the Hudson Athens Lighthouse. Just going through like some of them, but I like how I collect. It's just like through time. So some of it can be online. Some of it is through shows I go to, Brick by Brick. It's a really amazing hardcore band that are friends of ours. We took the kids to see Slayer, so I got that one. Devil's Reign is an amazing book series, or art book series from the Church of Satan. We're good friends with them. Gender is Over. If you want it, I support them because I am non-binary and I believe everybody should have, you know, a say with who they are. And then I put these on. This is from my partner's belt. I just stole it because they kept on falling off. He doesn't need it. Yes. Psychic TV. This turned into where I get my patches. I don't know if that's anything that you want to know. If you do, leave something in the comments below. So then, another one that I did, this is, I bought this at Marshall's before I stopped buying first-hand things and started just buying second-hand. But again, I get so many compliments on these pieces, and this is what I'm going to show you later on. This was a t-shirt that I completely destroyed because I like to deconstruct t-shirts, but sometimes it goes awry, so, but I love this one. This is probably like 20 years old. I just cut out the t-shirt and made it into a patch. And I love this. Just a bunch of pins that I found over time. Venom, Vampira, some were given to me. This is I wanted a Doctor Who Bad Wolf patch, so I found this on the internet, and I'm not a great sewer, so I'll show you what I do. But sometimes you just need to safety pin them in and punk rock as fuck. So another t-shirt, more Psychic TV. This is another one, and another My friend Sam gave me a t-shirt of Chuck Close because he knows that was one of my favorite artists, and I fucked up the t-shirt, so I made it into a patch. Same thing with this one. Oh, hey Katya. Oh, this is such a good pin. I got this at DragCon. Hey Katya. Boop. And then I'll just like, you can get all this online too. It takes a while, and this is a vintage pin, which I just thought was great. And yeah, I buy a lot from ThreadUp. So when you buy from ThreadUp, you get this really cool pin that says used. And yes, I am. This I found in the Lost and Found. I was like, nobody's claiming it? Good for me. I just took it. So what you are going to need, this is the first time I'm doing it on a hoodie, but let's get a hoodie that is either plain or that you don't like or that your son grew out of, that you can totally use because you're a tattoo artist and your shop is cold as fuck. I'm over 40. Get your glasses, your readers. Carol gave this to me, so this is my little sewing kit. Okay, so you have just any kind of thread. I am not a great sewer, but that shouldn't stop you. I didn't get a scissor, so scissors. I find it's remarkable when you put your readers on how easy you can thread a needle. Oh, okay. Click it. Get your thread. 45 minutes later. Success. Maybe I made this pretty long because I'm just gonna barrel through this because I don't really care about the craftsmanship. I do care about craftsmanship when it comes to people making my own shit, or shit for me, or if I'm making shit for others. But when it's for myself, just get it on. I find that you're always going to have to do some touch-ups and re-sew your patches. So, sorry. I'm just gonna stick this. It's already ready. Back in there. I'm just gonna cut this into a square, and then we're gonna sew that onto the back of the hoodie. Cool. This has been going on for the entire time. So take your shirt, lay it flat, make sure not to cut into whatever your cutting surface is. So, there's your patch. One more thing. This is definitely not going to go all the way around the patch, so I am going to have to make another thread and thread a new needle. And you don't want it too long because, like I said, it can get tied up, and the longer the thread that you have, the easier it is that that's going to happen. And that is just a waste of thread and a waste of your time. So you probably just have to do a little bit at a time and rethread your needle. Okay, so when you come to the end of your thread and you have to rethread your needle, I'll just cut it so that there's enough slack, and I will just make a knot. And voila. And then just cut off the slack. Here we are again. And double, about that long. I like to cut it. Find my fucking... Alright, well I already cut one end, so you can just... There's a little thing usually, I think... probably... Oh. And your blood will be in it. That's cool. I believe in magic. So, reader's on. This side I had already cut, so it's easier if you cut a blunt edge. Make a little knot. No! Okay. Don't freak out. You just have to uncat's cradle it. And there we go. Yes. Woo, it's on there. So, now I have my own hoodie with Toilet Boy's back patch. This I will wear a ton of. Super excited. I hope this video was helpful to you. I really love customizing my own stuff and supporting people and artists that I love. I swear you will get a ton of compliments when you design your own. If you want to, or if you have more questions, just leave them in the comments below of where I like to shop for patches, or I can't explain that, but let me know if you like this video. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and like if you do, and I put up videos probably like one a week because I also do have a full-time job as a tattoo artist, but I really love doing these, and if I can help in any way, let me know if there's something that you want to see from me, or if I can help you in any way. Then that's what I'm here for. That's why I watch YouTube. So thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. That's it. Talk to you later.